Is this separate hair wax any good? Let's find out into this video. I'm Sahib Ramgadiya aka XLR8 and this is a product which comes from Findout and I really like the name Findout. Now Findout company is making their products in India for quite a long time now, and after so much wait they have finally released their first wax in India, and it is called Findout Matte Magic Restylable Wax, and this is a product we are going to review today. So now let's move on and review this product. And now the scent of this product is kinda average, good but not too good. It smells kinda like Gatsby hair wax, but it has an addition of a bit of flowery scent and a little bit of oily scent in it. But all in all, smell is good. Now let's move on to the ingredients. And now moving on to the ingredients, this product ingredients are just below average, and that's just because it contains 4 types of parabens in it. Just like this contains butyl paraben, methyl paraben, ethyl paraben and propyl paraben. And guys, just because of paraben, this product does go below average. And guys, parabens are contained in a product to preserve it for a long time, and a combination of parabens, just like Findout used, is for protect the product from broad range of organisms. And if you want to use this product, you can use it like use it, skip a day, use it, skip a day, just like that. You won't receive hair fall and it will be also good. So now let's move on to this styling with Findout Hair Wax Matte Magic Restylable Wax. And guys, as you can see, I was able to get so good volume with just pre-styling with this product, and now I'm going to use this as a post styler. Taking a delicious finger scoop. And guys, as you can see, I was able to get so much good texture in my hair, and I also get so much good hold with this product. But guys, one thing I face a bit of tug and pull while applying this product, but just a little bit. But when this product dries up, your hair will go smooth and natural, and you can really restyle it whenever you want. And guys, this hold is so good and will last all day long in my opinion. And also this wax is so good, and consistency of this product is very great. You can use this wax. And guys, the styling part is finished. Now let's move on to the washability of this product. And guys, washability of this product is good, but if you apply a lot of it, you will need a shampoo to wash it out. But if you apply just a little bit, that will go down with water, because it is a water-based product and also a oil-based product, combination of that. And I have seen that on their website, as you can see the screenshot. And guys, washability of this product is good. If you apply just a little bit, apply too much, you might need a shampoo to clean it out. And now let's move on to the it is good or not. And now guys, in the end, this product is good in the range of 180 to 200. I buy it from Amazon for 200 rupees, and you can buy it too. The link will be in the description down below. And as of me, I have not used too much products in range of 180 to 200, but all of that I have used, this was the best one from that. So do I recommend to buy this product? Yes, go for it. But use it that, as I have mentioned earlier, use skip, just like that. So guys, this is it for today's video, and I think this product is good. You should buy this one, and it is for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. पहला मैं लगा